Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on helpful tutorials like this one. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to use PartnerStack in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a brand looking to launch an affiliate program or you are an affiliate looking to promote products and earn commission, I will break it all down for you. So grab a coffee, follow along, and let's get started. First of all, you just need to be understand actually what is PartnerStack. So let's open it into the incognito window and let's search it here. And here you can see that PartnerStack is an affiliate and partner management platform that helps complaints or companies grow through partnerships like affiliates, resellers, and referral partners. If your company, PartnerStack helps you track, pay, and manage your partners all in one place. If you are an affiliate, it helps you to find partner programs, get your unique referral links, and track your earning easily. So first of all, what you need to be do. So already let's start with creating an account. So you just need to be go to the partnerstack.com and then just click to the get started button. Once you click over here, if you are a company, you will choose I am a company, or if you are an individual, then go with the simple one. Like if you are an affiliate partner, you will click on join the network button and find programs to promote. Enter your name, email, and create secret password, then confirm your email through link partner sends you, and then your account creation is done and you will land it in this place where you can see the dashboard. So let's find programs to promote. Let's say you are an affiliate. Once you're logged in, you will see the marketplace. This is where you can browse hundreds of companies looking for partners to promote their products or service. Use the search bars to find programs in your niche, for example SaaS tools, marketing software, or e-commerce apps. Just click over here, browse new programs here, and then here this is the store you are looking for. So these are the programs are now available, so you can earn 20% of commissions on every signed customer you refer. So here you just need to click on program to see company commission rates, payments, terms, program rules. If you like what you see, just click join program, and some programs approve you instantly while others review your application first. So let's go with this one, travel code. Just click over here, and here you just need to be applied for the program and application review time less than 2 days, and when get 250 upfront of each company that books any kind of a trip, or 100 upfront for any paid plan. So let's search for travel code and let's see what actually the website is. So let's search it here. Is travel code, and they help us, our client, to find out desired hotel products and solutions they give. So now you just need to get your referral link. Once you are approved, you will get access to your partner dashboard. But first of all, let's see how you can apply for the program. So I think this one will be good, so I will click on apply program. Just click to this one, join the, okay, that's great. So here you just need to provide your details. Just click to the next, and here you just need to provide your website address, LinkedIn profile, select your country, and then tell us a bit about your business. Then just click to the next, and here you just need to fulfill these 3 steps, and they will review your profile and then give you the options to apply these programs and then get this affiliate program. So once you're done, you are approved, you will get access to your partner dashboard. Here you will see your unique referral link, banners, and marketing asset, campaign tracking tools. Just copy your link and share it on your website, blog, YouTube channel, social media, or anywhere your audience can see it. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase or sign up, you earn a commissions. So let's talk about these features called track your performance. So PartnerStack makes tracking super easy. From your dashboard you can see, like let's go to the dashboard, and here you can see this is the analytics option. So here you will find out how many signups you did, how many clicks you will get, you can get, then how many referrals you have made, you are pending, and paid commissions. Like here you can see it, paid commissions, pending commissions. You can also see when you will get paid. PartnerStack usually pays affiliate monthly, but this depend on each company's payout policy. Payments are sent through PayPal or direct bank transfer, so make sure you set up your payout method under your setting. So here you just need to be click over here. Let's go to the setting, my account, and then here you just need to be give your address. Then let's find out where is our post back. Here you will get the options called payment or payout. So here you just need to be provide your details, bank details or your PayPal details, then it will be okay to complete move forward. So if you're a company, so you just need to create your partner program. If you're a company wanting to create a partner program, PartnerStack make it super easy. Once you are signed up as a company, you will get partner program dashboard. Here you can see set your commission structure, percentage or flat fee, then create marketing assets for your partners, automate onboarding emails and training, and track performance of each partner, and automate payments or to partners. PartnerStack also lets you recruit new partners by listening your program in their marketplace, so affiliates can find you easily. Then automate and manage everything. When what makes PartnerStack really powerful is its automation tools. You don't have to manually track sales or send payments. PartnerStack does it for you. You can also set up partner tiers, so top performers get better rewards, send messages update directly to partners, run promotion or business companies to motivate partner to swim. This keeps your partner happy and see your program running smoothly. So in the end, I will give you a couple of tips for your succession. Here are a few quick tips to make the most out of our PartnerStack. Pick program that align with your audience. Relevance equals more clicks and sales. Be honest and transparent when promoting. Build trust with your audience. For companies, communicate regularly with your partners, share update, tips, and new promos. Keep an eye on your analytics. Double down on what's working and tweak what is not. So here you will find out discover partnership. Also here you can find out a couple of things. Here you can see just find out which niche you are in, so you can click on e-commerce. Let's talk about this one again. So here we have a couple of options, fifa.com, so just click over that place. And what about the program? FIFA is number one online M&A combining expert advisory service with innovative tips. We help entrepreneurs all around the world to exit online business and acquire the next opportunity. So here you can go with the flipper.com where website sales and buy happen. So you can go this one. Then here you just need to be apply for the program, and before you apply flipper.com, you must first join the PartnerStack network to unlock access. Let's recap this one, and I hope you understand how easy the process is and how many commission you will get. So here this month I did not get any of them, so this is the withdrawals, and here you just need to be set up your withdrawal. You can click deposit, direct deposit. Here you can select, let's click to the Bangladesh, and this is the BDT, and from that place you just need to be give your account holder name, account number, routing number, then address, your address, and then just click connect it, and it will be connect perfectly. So in this way you can do your work perfectly and get your payment. So that's it. Now you know how to use PartnerStack in 2025. Whether you are an affiliate or a company wanting to grow through partnership, if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you have any questions, I'll reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.